So this question is a construction question, which is what we've been covering recently in class. And it asks us to identify which type of construction is illustrated in the figure. If you look at the figure that you're given and you ignore all of the little circular arc things, we kind of had segment RS and segment ST, which looks like it makes an angle. Maybe it's 90 degrees, maybe it's not. If you look over to the right, this is all stuff that we've been creating in our construction. So we have a segment, we have a couple of arcs, and normally what we would do is we would place a dot where any of our things intersect, and these might be important points in our construction. If you connect this point with the dot above it, you'll have created some form of an angle. And if you look at the angle on the left and the angle on the right, hopefully you notice that they look like they're basically the same. So we're looking for an answer choice that says we took an angle and we made another angle that's the same. Answer choice A is the bisector of a given angle. Well, if it was A, we'd be looking at our first angle and trying to cut it in half, so maybe drawing a line like that. Nothing in this construction says that we're doing that, so it's definitely not A. An angle congruent to a given angle. Well, that actually sounds like we're right on the money. We have an angle over here. We're making an angle on the right that's the same as angle A, so it's probably going to be B. C says a line segment congruent to a given line segment, though most of the time you actually do that as your first step in this construction. All this extra stuff over here tells us that's not what we're going for, so it's not C. And a line segment perpendicular to a given line segment. This is definitely a trap answer. At no point in time did we say that this is definitely 90 degrees. We replicated this angle. So even though it looks like we found something perpendicular to this segment here, that was not the purpose of the construction. So that's not our correct answer either. Correct answer to this question is answer choice B.